What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today our topic is all about how to create a Bitget wallet. So let's get started by installing Bitget wallet. As you can see, mine is already installed. So let's tap open. And the Bitget app, it will ask you if you want to create or import a wallet. Since we're here to create a wallet, let's tap on it. A pop-up notification will appear. So let's tap agree. While we are here, the app will ask you if you want to create your wallet, and it's up to you if you want to choose a mnemonic wallet or create a keyless wallet. Mine is mnemonic, so I will tap on create now. From here, you have to set your PIN code for your Bitget security. After setting your PIN, a pop-up notification will appear where it will show that you have successfully created a Bitget wallet. So here, this is what's inside the Bitget wallet. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.